iPhone 16 Pro Max, Hardware Review. Apple announced its latest products on September 9, 2024. Here, we cover only the iPhone 16 Pro Max for technical hardware review. This hardware technical review will divide smartphone features into 10 main categories. Each category will be subdivided into measure hardware specification, then the rank of each hardware specification concerning available smartphones and markets. This will give us the hardware specification rank of each category and subcategories. First category is design factor and built material. iPhone 16 Pro Max, design and built material hardware score rank, based on 7 parameters. It includes weight, dimensional volume, cosmetic colors, ingress protection level, front glass material, middle frame material and back cover material. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max design and built material hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 75% scale. Second category is display. iPhone 16 Pro Max display hardware score ranks based on 10 parameters. It includes form factor, technology type, size, resolution, refresh rate, peak brightness, screen-to-body ratio, number of colors, pixel density, and other display features. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max display hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 66% scale. Third category is cameras. iPhone 16 Pro Max cameras hardware score ranks based on 5 parameters. It includes wide camera, telephoto camera, ultra-wide camera, macro or depth camera, and front camera. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max cameras hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 60% scale. Fourth category is chipset. iPhone 16 Pro Max chipset hardware score ranks based on 4 parameters. It includes CPU performance core set, CPU efficiency core set, and GPU clock. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max chipset hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 65% scale. Fifth category is memories, RAM and storage. iPhone 16 Pro Max RAM and storage hardware score ranks based on 2 parameters. It includes storage memory capacity and type, processing memory capacity and type. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max RAM and storage hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 69% scale. Sixth category is connectivity. iPhone 16 Pro Max connectivity hardware ranks based on 10 parameters. It includes cellular network, satellite system, navigation system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared and USB port. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max connectivity hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 83% scale. Seventh category is sensors. iPhone 16 Pro Max sensors hardware ranks based on multiple sensors. It includes accelerometer, ALS, barometer, compass, unlocking sensor, gyroscope, laser, and proximity sensors. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max sensors hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 80% scale. Eighth category is battery and charging. iPhone 16 Pro Max battery and charging hardware ranks based on 6 parameters. It includes battery type, battery capacity, wired charging power, wireless charging power, reverse charging power, and charging adapter. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max battery and charging hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 39% scale. Ninth category is multimedia. iPhone 16 Pro Max multimedia hardware ranks based on 5 parameters. It includes photos, video, music, and gaming features. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max multimedia hardware with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 50% scale. 10th category is UI and others. iPhone 16 Pro Max UI and other software ranks based on 6 parameters. It includes operating system, OS UI version, mobile service framework, future major update and security updates. By comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max UI and others software features with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 80% scale. All categories average rank. By combining all categories, the average score is 66.7%, which means the iPhone 16 Pro Max hardware specification value stands at level 66.7 out of 100. Conclusion. According to the smartphones class table, the iPhone 16 Pro Max stands at high-end, top-level, smartphone. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video. Take care.